Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I will explain you very fast what Flexbox is and how you can use it. First, with Flexbox, you can align items inside the container or inside your body. It's very useful to create beautiful web pages. Here, I have a container. It has 6 child elements and I will make it 100 pixels. So to use Flexbox, we do a display flex and these 6 child elements are aligned side by side. Our container is a Flexbox container. We have 2 very important properties. One is justify content and the second align items for our container. We have by unjustify content a lot of properties. You can see here the most important ones are center. Our child elements are centered. Space around, horizontally they are space around child elements, space evenly, the spaces are always the same. Then we have space between. Here it says between the child elements space, but not on the left or right side on the first and last containers. Justify content styles elements horizontally and align items vertically. You can do align item centered and the child elements are centered vertically. You can do flex end, it's end of the container. We have not many like justify content. I use mostly center. You can easily center elements when you do align item center and justify content center. You can see it's centered automatically. It's very useful. Then we have gap property. I use gap with grid always, but you can use it for Flexbox too. I make gap 20 pixels. You have here manually 20 pixels space between the child elements when you don't want to use space between or evenly. A very important property is flex direction. Default is flex direction row. Justify content is horizontally, align items vertically. When I do column, it's the opposite. Align items, you can do a comment here. Align items are horizontally and the justify content is vertically. I can do justify content flex end and think what can happen. The child element will be vertically on the end. You can see it's end. When I do align items start flex start, it's horizontally on the start and end. It will be on the end of the container. Another very important property is flex wrap. And when you have, I will delete this, make flex start, and when your child elements are too big, you can see they will shrink down because your container is not big enough. You can do flex wrap. It wraps your child element. The 5th and 6th one are too big. Because of that, it wraps the 2 elements on the second line. I explained to you the most important things about Flexbox. I use mostly these properties I just showed you. I recommend you, when you don't know Flexbox, learn all of the properties. Even if you don't use it, it's good to know. So that was with the video. I hope you liked it. Bye.